and 1 white, or we can easily write 1:2:1. That came what? Phenotypic ratio. Now come on next, incomplete genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio, what came here? 1 capital R, 2 capital R, and 1 small r, small r. If we write in general, so 1:2:1. Okay, so you can see that phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio both is same. What I told, phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in incomplete dominance. So both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in incomplete dominance. This line you have to remember. Both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in incomplete dominance. Okay. Now this we have seen under where? Mirabilis jalapa. Another more examples took by scientists that we have to see. And questions are coming same, that incomplete dominance phenotypic ratio is what? Incomplete dominance genotypic ratio is what? So you have to remember what is that? 1:2:1. Now next example taken by scientists, that was Andalusian falls. Falls is a type of birds. So next example is Andalusian falls. Okay, Andalusian falls, FOWLS. So they are having two pure form. Okay, they contain two pure forms. What was that? One dominant was black and one was white, these birds. So one was black and one was white. Okay. So if we are seeing their parental character, so what is that? Black means capital B, and this is small b, small b. Okay, this is the capital B and small b, small b. So parents were there, capital B into small b, small b. So this is parental character. Here capital B, here small b. This is gamete. Now crosses happens, capital B, small b. According to law of dominance, it should be black. Okay, but deviation also occur. So here what happens? Blue color. Blending inheritance, mixed type, neither black, neither white. So it is coming what? Blue. Okay, so this is F1 hybrid or F1 individual. Okay, if we are proceeding further for F2, so here what happens? Capital B, small b. Now this will become parent. Same, capital B, small b. This is parental character. Gametes are coming. Parents is there. Capital B, small b. This is gamete. Now here also checkerboard is there, or Punnett square is there. Male, female, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. So capital B, small b, capital B, small b, small b, small b. Now here what coming? This is black, but this is blue. This is also blue, and this is white. So what came here? Phenotypic ratio, if we are seeing, Under Andalusian fall, phenotypic ratio is 1 black, 2 blue, and 1 white. So what we can say, 1 is to 2 is to 1. Same genotypic ratio. 1 capital B, 2 capital B, small b, and 1 small b, small b. So 1 is to 2 is to 1. Here also we are saying that phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio both is same. Okay, in Andalusian falls. Questions will ask by name. They will ask Mirabilis jalapa, what is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio? What is the phenotypic and genotypic ratio in incomplete dominance of Andalusian fall? Okay, so like that you have to remember. Okay, similar case came in snapdragon flower. So this examples you have to remember. Another examples we have to see. For example, incomplete dominance also found in snapdragon flower. Snapdragon flower. Okay, snapdragon flower. Their botanical name is Antirrhinum majus. Okay, what is that? Antirrhinum majus. This is the botanical name of snapdragon flower. So you have to remember that incomplete dominants are found in. The examples are there. So first what we seen? First we seen Mirabilis jalapa. Next what we seen? Andalusian fall. Next what we seen? Antirrhinum majus or snapdragon flower. Also this is known as dog flower. And here also same conditions came, like phenotypic ratio here came. Here what came? One red was there, like Mirabilis jalapa. So one red, two pink, one white, or 1 is to 2 is to 1. Similarly, genotypic ratio was 1 capital R, 2 capital R, small r, 1 small r, small r. So 1 is to 2 is to 1. So here also what we seen, that both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in incomplete dominance of snapdragon flower or dog flower or Antirrhinum majus. Okay. Now, in a NEET exam, one question came that starch grain showing incomplete dominance, complete dominance, both or none of these. So now we have to see another example. For example, starch grain also showing in complete dominance. Okay, here what he is showing, incomplete dominance. Okay, now starch, the gene synthesized. Okay, the gene for starch synthesis, they are having two alleles. So we can write starch synthesis gene contain two alleles, one capital B, one small b. These two are what? Allele. Okay. Now, this capital B is there. So, first condition we are taking, if capital B and capital B are there, in that condition, large starch grain is produced. What is that? Large starch grain. That is nominal. If small b is there, in that condition also what? Small starch grain is produced. So what is that? Small starch grain is produced. But if third conditions is there, capital B and small b, according to dominance, it should be large starch grain, but this condition showing intermediate sized starch grain is produced. So this shown what? This shown incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Okay, so these examples are very important. These examples are asking in the examination. Okay, so starch grain we seen, snapdragon flower we seen, then mirabilis jalapa we seen, Andalusian fall we seen. Okay, now come on related questions. Come on, related question. Now, number one question is there in mirabilis plant. Question number one. In mirabilis plant means mirabilis jalapa they are telling. Okay, in mirabilis plant, a red flowered plant is crossed with red flowered plant is crossed with, okay, crossed with white flowered. So crossed with white flowered plant resulted in crossed with white flowered plant resulted, okay, what result is that? So resulted in all pink flowered plants, resulted in all pink flowered plants, resulted in all pink flowered plant. Now question is there, what are the chances of appearance of, what are the chances of appearance of red flowered, okay, what are the chances of appearance of red flowered plant in a cross, red flowered plant in a cross, in a cross between pink and white flowered plants, between pink and white flowered plant. Okay, now what is that? Options are there. First option is 0, next option is 1, next option is 2, and next option is 4. Okay, now come on solution. Questions you understood what it is telling? In mirabilis plant, what happens? Red flowered plant is crossed with white flowered plant, resulted in all pink flowered plant. What are the chances of appearance of red flowered plant in a cross between? Here we have to understand. In a cross between pink and white. So come on that. So pink will what? Red RR. This is pink. Cross with white means smaller, smaller. So here two type of, this is parent. So here capital R smaller, here small r smaller. This is gamete. Now crosses with that showing by Punnett square. This is male and this is female. Capital R small r male, small r female. Now come on. Capital R small r, here also capital R smaller and small r smaller. And we know that this is the condition of what? Incomplete dominant. That's why all pink flowered came in first generation. So this is what? Pink. This is what? White. This is what? Pink. This is what? White. So percentage, chances of red flower is what? Here no red, only pink, two pink and two white. So what are the chances will be coming? 0%. Okay, so chances of appearance of a red flower plant in a cross between pink and white flowered plant is 0. Understood what is that? Okay. Now next question is there. Next question is that if A and small a, question is that if capital A and small a, these two, capital A and small a, alleles so incomplete dominance, these two, capital A, small a, alleles show incomplete dominance, whereas while capital B and small b alleles so complete dominance. This is very important question. You have to see complete dominance. What will be the ratio? What will be the ratio of cross between capital A, small a, capital B, small b, crosses with capital A, capital B, small b. Okay, this is the question. Now come on solution. What is that solution? Solution, we have to know that this and this showing incomplete dominance. So incomplete dominance ratio is what? So capital A, small a, this is showing incomplete dominance and their ratio is what? It is 1:2:1. So 1:2:1 and capital B, small b, this is showing what? Complete dominance. So complete dominance and complete dominance ratio is what? 3:1. Already we know. Okay, 3:1. So now come on crosses. So crosses happens. If crosses, so one cross is 1:2:1 into 3:1. So first we will see here 1:3, 3:1. Then this one is to 6. Okay, 2:3, 6, and 2:1 is equal to 2. Then come on this. So this is 3:1, 3 and 1. So what it is coming? 3:1. Okay, 3:1 is to 6:2 is to 3:1. 1:3, 3, 1:1, 1. Then 2 is to 3, 6, and 2 is to 1, 2, then 1 is to 3, 3, and 1 is to 1, 1. Okay, so what is the ratio here? 3 is to 1 is to 6 is to 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so this is the solution here. Okay, so now you understood what are the questions are coming in test cross, out cross, incomplete dominance. Okay, now for today we discussed incomplete dominance. Next we will see deviation from law of dominance, that is multiple alleles. Okay, thank you.